Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add Shareit large widget on your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. And okay guys, you'll have to do is press the two finger on the screen and slide closer to see the widget below. Okay, click widget. And okay guys, here in widget, you can find the widget you want to add to your home screen by sliding to the left or to the right. And okay guys, after you find the widget you want to add to your home screen, okay, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the Shareit widget. Okay, you'll have to do is click the Shareit widget. And okay guys, here in Shareit widget, there are options here, okay, the Shareit small, the Shareit medium, and the Shareit large. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the Shareit large widget. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click the Shareit L or large widget to add to your home screen. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully add the Shareit large widget on your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.